That was crazy.
Yeah, that was a fun time. Well, I'm glad we did it.
Stick another strip on the Barbie. Peace out. Where the bloody hell are you? Come to Australia.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. It has been a day. We went to the gym this morning, had breakfast, well, it was mainly lunch, and then we got dressed and we went to the shops. So I'll show you what I got. We went to Ruby. I got these. I think they're just so white that you can't see. So I got these, super cute. They're like rigid. And then I got these shoes. I got this cute hair tie. Super cute tank. The back is my favorite. It just ties at the bottom. It's all like open. I got this sports bra. And I got this one with it. It's like normal in the front, and then in the back it has this, and it ties, and you can readjust it, like if you want it tighter or looser. And yeah, Emma's in the liquor store. We were gonna get this kombucha drink, but we didn't because they don't have it.
All right. Oh, are we vlogging, Lindsay?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you vlogging?
So
No, I didn't get what.
that's all. Now we're gonna go eat dinner.
What's up, fam?
Oh, you got a blue flame.
And then
There's a lighter here as well. If your thing goes out.
Chuck stuff on the plate, rice, noodles.
Get food poisoning.
They don't take that long to cook.
little bit of sizzle.
What would you like, Lee?
That's almost like being home.
I'm Chef Gordon. Welcome back to my channel.
There's more oil as well if you need more oil.
Oh, see, that looks delicious.
There you go, a bit of salmon noodle doodle.
Very. You should keep that going to stay hot.
Who's the one eating like that?
I did.
No, you didn't, I saw.
I put the noodles in. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I did this last time too.
There you go.
How'd you do that?
Australian Vegemite.
Complete.
And this is is this more English based?
It's totally English based.
Okay,
We invented this, then you
English.
copied it from your crappy
English
Vegemite.
Marmite. Very different flavour.
I'll try
So let's go to Vegemite.
Oh, I hate Vegemite.
No, you don't. You love it. Oh, secretly. What is that?
Come
Come
on.
on.
Oh, no.
Marty, tough enough. Yeah, well, don't you worry, that's Australian. Eat this English one. This will change
This
your
is a
life.
very different
This
taste.
will change your life.
It is
Better.
actually.
It
This
may
one-
put hairs on your
It looks the
chest.
same, but it's different.
Oh, look at that. That's more like it. Caramel syrup. That.
Oh, she's got the serviette. Oh, she's...
Beautiful, huh?
Can you taste the difference?
Yeah, that one's way stronger.
Yeah, see? More manly.
It does say put the oomph into your breakfast.
It does.
You can get extra strong. And you,
Nope, still don't like either.
Don't like either? Yeah. And we had some
fucking better. Just drinks everywhere. And for some reason, I obliterated. Just apparently good. The
So
mother
you're
of
going to
all
use your
fathers.
knife and use that with...
With that.
You want to get... I admit, this is not going as well as when I make it myself.
You didn't put enough ham on yours.
Any what?
Ham.
What's Pam?
She's a guest seat, not to
Emma,
off, so
was
big.
that you?
Yeah, it was.
Wow.
10 each.
Feel that it's not only me, but it's Dolly, and Dolly's amazing. And it's so cool.
Hello, good morning. We just ate. We went to Emma's uni this morning to do some school stuff. And now we're doing the washing. And I just want to say, I think it's so bizarre how Australians don't use their dryers because
We save the environment and our money bills.
Because personally, and my sister and most people I know just chuck almost everything into the dryer.
Hell no.
Because like we don't have time to hang it, you know? But us Americans don't have a rack like this, so that would make it more convenient, and then I would do it.
Every Australian home has a clothes.
I know, but we don't. We got these little sausage rolls and a veggie. Alright, so explain what they are.
Well, a sausage roll is very Australian. I mean, I say Australian, but I mean, we just eat it a lot here. Who knows if it's even Australian? We always have sausage rolls and like pasties and party pies and all that really bad stuff. So I just thought that Lindsay needed to try those two things because she said she needed a snack. And when Lindsay needs a snack, she needs a snack. It's delicious. Now this is really good for you because it's all veggies. And tomato sauce tastes really good with this.
It's kind of like chicken pot pie.
But takeaway.
Yeah. Alright, so we'll finish this and then we'll try the sausage one.
It's not actually sausage, it's just called a sausage roll.
So what's inside?
I don't want to know. Don't read the back. I'm happy not knowing. Now this is really good with tomato sauce, but we don't got any. Now this isn't a great one. It's a good one, but it's not great.
What would make it great?
The ones at the bakery. The ones that are like squishy and pastry-ish.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's good stuff.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Basically, you go in here and you feed the birds and they like land on you and fly and that's gonna be us.
You have a friend?
Yes, his name is Patrick.
Hi, Patrick.
And that's Steve. And this is Will.
They're going ham.
Oh, I hate when they argue.
My. Oh, I'm glad I wore a hat.
I got really angry.
It's still on your head. Like I could just take him home. See ya. This is my friend. He's gonna fly away any minute. You ready? 1, Ow, that one keeps biting me.
Alright, that was crazy. So we went inside and you pay $4 to get a ticket. You go up to the man where the station's at, give him the ticket, he gives you the bird seed, and as soon as you walk in, it's like they attack you.
That was like, I'm from here, guys, and I'm telling you, that was the most fucked experience of my life.
He's like, you're good with birds, right? And I'm like, yeah,
I
that's
love
fine.
birds.
And they got Emma so bad.
Yeah, wait, so we'll show you in the next clip.
And it was, if you come, wear a hat because they'll land on your head.
They were on my scalp.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
And they'll go on your shoulders, your arms to like climb to get to the bowl.
Yeah.
So I feel so bad for
Everywhere.
Emma, but I'm so happy I wore a hat and this because I cannot.
And then I went to pat one that was sitting on my shoulder and it bit me.
But they are wild, so
I mean, they're wild
They fly
birds.
around, but they mainly stay there because you feed them.
Yeah, good experience. You should try it. We're at Grant's Picnic Ground.
And now we're gonna drive back.
Let's go.
We're going out to dinner with Haley and Maddie. Let's go. So we're going to the Irish, which is like a pub.
Yeah.
We're going because I need to try
a parma. You know what it is, but for everyone who doesn't, have you heard of a parmigiana?
like a chicken parm sandwich,
So it's like
entree.
this big piece of chicken, and then that's called a schnitzel. And people just have a schnitzel with like lemon. But a parma is when there's like a red marinara sauce, and then there is sometimes ham. I don't eat ham, so I don't get with that. And then like melted cheese.
So I have to try because I love chicken parm.
And what they have, what most places have around here, is a pot and a parma. So you get like a pot of alcohol, so a beer, Canadian Club, I don't know what else they got, with your dinner. And it's like cheaper.
Like a combo.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll try it out. There it is, the Irish. Emma.
Mango and chocolate.
Yeah.
Ham.
Have you ever had, we don't have it unfortunately.
What's your name?
There's something called Promite.
John.
I love promo.
Liam, tell us about yourself.
No.
Come on.
Give us 3 facts.
Yeah, 3 facts.
Where do you work?
Port Sabbath
What's your middle
and
name?
John.
Liam.
What's your favorite hobby?
Tennis.
Star sign. What's your star sign?
That was too
What's
true,
your
so
star sign?
Libra. You got a star sign?
Yeah. And that's all for today. Welcome to our food tour at 7-Eleven.
Look, Grant's Children's picnic ground, guys. We're here. We're here, everyone. Welcome. Can you get that hair out of my mouth?
Oh, I think you ate it.
Going to the beach. Beach, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Have a drink.